Dear students, good morning. I am Anita Kumari Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, SS Memorial College, Ranchi. Today I am going to discuss microwave assisted reaction in organic solvent, which comes under paper DSC 3 of semester 6. We have already discussed some microwave induced reactions which were done in aqueous media. But here we will take the organic solvent in which the reactions will be performed. These reactions involve those microwave induced reactions in which one or both the reactants, if liquid, act as a solvent, and also those reactions in which the organic solvent is used to assist the reactions. First reaction is the esterification. You know what is esterification? Reaction of carboxylic acid and alcohol which react to give ester is known as esterification. In this, a mixture of benzoic acid and N-propyl propanol on heating in microwave oven for 6 minutes in the presence of conc H2SO4 gives propyl benzoate, which is shown in the reaction 1. In this, benzoic acid reacts with N-propyl alcohol to give the propyl benzoate and the yield is 70% and time taken is 6 minutes. Next is the Fries rearrangement. It is a useful method for preparation of phenolic ketones. There is considerable rate enhancement of Fries rearrangement by commercial microwave oven over conventional methods. Thus, a mixture of paracrysyl acetate and anhydrous aluminum chloride are heated in dry chlorobenzene in a sealed tube in a microwave oven for 2 minutes to give the product, and the yield is 85%. Reaction is shown in the reaction 2, in which the product form is from paracrysyl acetate and the product is 2-hydroxy-4-methyl acetophenone. Yield is 85%. Next reaction is Diels-Alder reaction. The reaction involves 1,4 addition of an alkene. The alkene is taken as the malic anhydride to a conjugated diene, that is anthracene, to form an adduct of 6-membered ring. Under usual condition, the reaction requires a reflux period of 90 minutes. But under microwave conditions, diglime is used as a catalyst and 80% yield of the adduct is obtained only in 90 seconds. Shown in the reaction 3, in which the reactant is anthracene and malic anhydride and adduct is formed in 80% yield. Next reaction is the decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means removal of COH group. The conventional decarboxylation of carboxylic acid involve refluxing in quinoline in the presence of copper chromide and the yields are very low. So, in the presence of microwave decarboxylation takes place in much shorter time as illustrated in the reaction 4, in which 6-methoxy-indole 2 carboxylic acid is converted into 6-methoxy-indole and yield is 99%. These reactions which are carried out in microwaves with organic solvent. Okay, thanks.